In this video, I will explain how you can use countif function to count the number of cells in the given range that meet certain criteria. For example, in this column, we want to find total number of cells where the value is double. So to count the cells, you can use this countif function. Then the first parameter is the range given the entire column, but you can specify specific range. Okay. And the second parameter is the value, the criteria basically. So here what I want to do is I want to find all the cell values, total number of cells, where the value is double. And you can see the value is given as 6. So if you count this double, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there are 6 cells where the value is double. So that is how you can use this countif function to count the cells. So here you can use this operator is equal to. So here, even if you don't use this is equal to operator, still it will work, but it is a best practice to use this is equal to operator, because apart from that is equal to operator, we can also use other operators like less than, greater than, less than or equal to, like that. Next example is, let us say we have got this column, and in this column we want to find all the values or total number of cells where the value is less than 420. So same function you can use, countif, then first parameter is range, and in the second parameter you can see that I have given this criteria where I'm saying that the value should be less than 420, and the answer is 3. So if you count here, 1, 2, and 3. The next is very interesting example. What we want to find is that in this particular column, column B, all the values or the total number of cells where the value contains PA and NA, PA, NA basically. When you don't know the exact value, you can use this kind of substring, and for that you can use this star operator. So star means match anything after this PANA. So it has counted it for us, and then what value is given is 4. So you can see that there are 4 cells where this PANA string is found. Next is another interesting operator, question mark. So in the question mark, it matches just one character. So here in the column B, what we are finding is this particular value. But let us say you don't know this particular character, the second character. So you can put question mark in that case. And then it found one match, which is this one. Same way you can find the empty cells as well. What you need to do is use the same function again. Let us give the range from B2 to B18. And here you can leave it blank. So what it means is that it is gonna match all the empty cells. So it found the 4 empty cells, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's it. Thanks for watching.